Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious enchorizadas. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1.5 pounds of chorizo, corn tortillas, queso fresco, refried beans, 8 roma tomatoes, red pepper, chile de arbol, 1 small white onion, 3 garlic cloves, chopped cilantro, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to begin by cooking our chorizo. So we're going to grab our pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once our pan is nice and hot, we're going to throw in our chorizo. We're going to break it down and cook. Okay, so once our chorizo is fully cooked, we're going to remove it from our pan. Okay, into our pan we're going to add a little bit more oil. We're going to throw in half of an onion. So just break it down. Along with the red peppers and the garlic cloves. And we're going to cook them for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes we're going to throw in our chile de arbol. I'm using 10, but of course it's all going to depend on how spicy you want your salsa. So just give it a couple seconds. And after the couple seconds, we're going to throw in our tomatoes. And I just cut them into pieces. So just mix it. Into that, we're going to add 1 cup of water. Okay, into that, we're going to add our bay leaf along with all of our spices. So now we're going to cover it and let that cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to turn it off. And now we're going to transfer everything to our blender cup, along with the juice. And once we have everything into our blender cup, now we are ready to make our chorizo sauce. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 1/4 cup of our cooked chorizo. And now we're going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. And once we have our sauce, now we are ready to return it to our pan. Okay, so we're going to turn our pan back into medium heat. And we're going to throw in our sauce. Now we're just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. And we're also going to add a little bit of salt. And now just reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And set your sauce to the side. Okay, so now we're going to grab our small pan. We're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're going to begin to lightly fry our tortillas. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our tortilla. And we're going to lightly fry it until it blisters. So for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then just remove the tortilla. And repeat the same process to all of your tortillas. Okay, so once we have our tortillas ready, now we are ready to put our enchorizadas together. Okay, so for our filling, we're just going to crumble our queso fresco. Okay, we're going to mix it with the other half of our onion chopped and cilantro. So just mix it. Okay, so once we have our filling ready, now we can put our enchorizadas together. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our enchorizadas together. So we're going to grab a tortilla and going to dip it into our chorizo sauce. And now we're going to add our filling. And of course you can add your chorizo inside. And I'm just going to add my queso fresco. Just close it in half. And I'm going to place it on top of my beans. So just place them like that. And now we're just going to repeat the same process until we have reached the desired amount of enchorizadas that we're making. Okay, so now we're just going to grab more of our sauce. Put some more on top of our enchorizadas. Okay, we're going to grab our crema mexicana and just drizzle it. I'm going to add more queso fresco.
and our chorizo. And you add as much as you want. And because I love onion, I'm going to add some purple onion. And some slices of avocado. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious enchorizadas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now, I am so ready. Let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously super easy to make. It's so flavorful. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And of course I added a lot of cheese in my beans, so it's just the perfect combination. So cheers and enjoy. And you could throw a fried egg on top and make it a breakfast. It's so delicious. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious enchorizadas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Thank you.